This 2024 Winnebago Micro Minnie 1800 BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 21 feet 11 inches in length and features a Paragon interior, sleeps 3, air conditioning, refrigerator, stove top burner, carbon monoxide detector, TV antenna, LP detector, smoke detector, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Winnebago Micro Minnie 1800 BH is 3,821 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.